So I made the viral candied cranberries. These little things are so delicious. You don't want to miss this video, so hang with me. So if you notice that some of them are sticking together, just go in and break them apart because you want them to be completely coated in that powdered sugar. Then spread out onto a baking sheet and bake for 10 to 12 minutes in a 200-degree oven. These candied cranberries, they are bursting literally with flavor. Oh, so good. They're dangerously addictive. I really hope that you give these a try. You will not be sorry. Everyone will just go crazy. They're so good. Oh, who knew? All right, well, that is all there is to it. Thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe so that you can see all of my upcoming holiday videos with delicious recipes. Well, God bless, and I'll see you next time.